very good morning. Top news is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The news today is on Polaris Dawn space mission, a new frontier that could change our world and our future. The Polaris Dawn mission, spearheaded by SpaceX Elon Musk and funded by Shift4 CEO and billionaire entrepreneur Jared Isaacman, represents a significant milestone in the realm of private space exploration. Scheduled for a 5-day journey, now to begin on 4th September 2024, of course depending on favorable weather and other relevant conditions, this mission aims to reach altitudes higher than any human has traveled since the Apollo lunar missions, cruising at approximately 700 kilometers above Earth. The Polaris Dawn mission's 4-member crew consists of Jared Isaacman himself, 2 SpaceX engineers, Sarah Gillis and Anna Menon, and retired US Air Force Lieutenant Colonel Scott. The mission's objectives include the first ever commercial spacewalk, testing SpaceX advanced technology, and conducting critical scientific research. The mission's name, Polaris Dawn, is deeply symbolic. Polaris, commonly known as the North Star, has been a guiding light for explorers throughout history. In naming the mission after this celestial body, the team at SpaceX and Inspiration 4 signals their intent to navigate humanity towards new frontiers, just as ancient mariners once did. This mission isn't merely about reaching new heights, it's about blazing a trail that others can follow. Polaris Dawn mission represents a cooperative and collaborative effort involving multiple partners, including SpaceX, led by its founder Elon Musk, who is a driving force behind the mission's ambition and is providing the Falcon 9 rocket and Crew Dragon spacecraft. Elon Musk's vision of making humanity a multi-planetary species is embodied in Polaris Dawn, which serves as a critical stepping stone towards future missions to the Moon, to the Mars, and beyond. This mission is not only technologically groundbreaking, but also pushes the boundaries of what private space endeavors can achieve. The mission involves collaboration with NASA, which provides regulatory oversight and technical support. Other agencies, such as the Federal Aviation Administration, will ensure the mission adheres to safety and regulatory standards. While Polaris Dawn is a private mission, it benefits from decades of governmental expertise, showcasing a new era of public-private cooperation in space exploration. Let's look at the mission objectives, which are pioneering new frontiers. One of the mission's most significant goals is to reach the highest Earth orbit ever flown by a crewed spacecraft, 1200 kilometers at launch, 1400 kilometers on day 1, and then cruise at 400 kilometers from day 2 to day 5. This feat will surpass the altitude record of 1368 kilometers set by Gemini 11 in 1966 on a 2-day journey. Just for comparison also, the International Space Station, which serves as a microgravity laboratory for scientific research, cruises at about 408 kilometers above Earth. At record 1400 kilometers above Earth, as this spacecraft will pass through part of the Van Allen radiation belt, it will offer insights into the effects of heightened radiation exposure on both human physiology and spacecraft systems, data that is crucial for future deep space missions. Additionally, the mission will conduct the first commercial spacewalk. This EVA, extravehicular activity, will test SpaceX next generation EVA suits, which are designed for use on the Moon and the Mars. The success of this spacewalk could revolutionize how space agencies and private companies approach human missions beyond low Earth orbit. Besides these historic firsts, Polaris Dawn aims to advance medical research in space. In collaboration with many prestigious international institutions, the crew will participate in biomedical experiments to better understand how the human body reacts to space conditions, particularly at high altitudes with increased radiation exposure. These findings will be critical for ensuring the safety and well-being of astronauts on longer, more distant missions such as those to Mars. The mission will also test Starlink's laser-based communication system, a groundbreaking technology that promises faster, more reliable data transfer in space. Unlike previous missions that relied on traditional radio frequency communications, Polaris Dawn will pioneer the use of laser communications, a technology that will be vital for future interplanetary explorations. What sets Polaris Dawn apart from previous missions is not just its objectives, but also its approach. The mission builds upon lessons from past explorations while incorporating cutting-edge advancements in technology, safety, and strategy. The Apollo missions were remarkable for their time, but they were limited by the technology and knowledge available in the 60s and 70s. Polaris Dawn benefits from over 50 years of progress, enabling it to go further, stay longer, and accomplish more than ever before. The Inspiration 4 mission of 2021 by SpaceX, the first all-civilian mission to orbit Earth, was a groundbreaking achievement in itself. However, it remained within low Earth orbit and focused on demonstrating that space is accessible to non-professional astronauts. Polaris Dawn takes this step a further, aiming for greater altitudes and more ambitious objectives, thereby demonstrating that private missions can achieve feats once reserved for the government agencies. Polaris Dawn mission is going to embrace the unknown. With great ambitions comes great risk. One of the most significant challenges facing Polaris Dawn is the spacewalk, a daring feat in an untested suit design. Spacewalks are inherently risky, and doing so in a suit that has never been used in the vacuum of space induces a level of uncertainty. However, success here could pave the way for future commercial space operations and deep space exploration. Another risk comes from the mission's high altitude, exposing the crew to increased level of cosmic radiation. While this provides a unique opportunity for research, it also requires careful monitoring and management to ensure the crew's safety. Yet, these challenges are what makes Polaris Dawn so crucial. It is a mission that dares to explore the unknown and the potential to reshape our understanding of space. The success of Polaris Dawn mission is set to illuminate humanity's path forward in space exploration. The Polaris Dawn space mission is not just about reaching new heights. It's about pushing the limits of what humanity can achieve. By validating the potential of private space missions, Polaris Dawn could change the trajectory of space exploration forever. It opens the door for more ambitious public-private partnerships, accelerating our journey to other celestial bodies. The medical research conducted during this mission could also have profound impacts on healthcare, particularly in understanding how the human body can withstand the harsh conditions of space. The Starlink communication test could revolutionize global communication, offering faster, more reliable internet for all. Ladies and gentlemen, the Polaris Dawn itself to be a new dawn for humanity, a call to the stars. As the world eagerly anticipates its launch, if everything goes right on this coming Wednesday, the 4th of September, this mission represents far more than a leap into the cosmos. It is a collective step forward for all of humanity. With Jared, Scott, Sarah, and Anna at the helm, this journey embodies the courage, innovation, and spirit that define us as a species. We send them our best wishes for a successful mission and a safe return, knowing that their efforts will pave the way for future explorers. Polaris Dawn mission is a story of human potential, a testament to what can be achieved when we dare to dream. As the countdown begins, let us turn our gaze to the stars, filled with excitement and curiosity. This mission invites us all to be part of something greater, to follow their journey and celebrate the milestones that will undoubtedly inspire the next generation of explorers. Let Polaris Dawn be a guiding star, not only in the vast expanse of space, but also in our collective imagination, igniting a passion for exploration and discovery. Together, as we cheer on this brave crew, we reaffirm our belief that the sky is not the limit, it is just the beginning. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.